Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find group settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now here you will find groups, click on it and that's it. Here you can manage your group settings, you can search here on groups, you can create a group here and that's it. That's how to find groups settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.